The use of cooking oil in our preparation for food is inevitable. The key is knowing what type of oil for what kind of food and what preparation method. The right oil used in the right context will give your body the right fat. The wrong oil, when not used properly, can actually make your body worse because it can be carcinogenic in many cases. So knowing what oil to use for what cooking temperature, for what cooking preparation method is a key in optimum health. And this article will go through with you how to use them properly and the tips of choosing the right oil for your needs. I hope you've enjoyed this video. For more information on this topic, head over to drlam.com, where I have written over 1,000 articles to help educate people. You can also call me at 626-571-1234 for more information on adrenal fatigue and how to navigate it. Finally, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.